What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am pretty pumped to show you all the slimes and everything that we're offering for this restock. I am actually really excited because we have some new things that we're offering to the shop, like the DIY butter slime kit, and we also have some new pricing on all of the slimes. That's right, you heard it here first. We are cheaper now. I wanted to really make it affordable for you all, or as affordable as possible, so I have lowered the prices on all the slimes so that it would be more affordable for you all, so that everybody who wants slime can get slime. So I'm really excited about that, and we've also expanded our shipping area, so if you previously could not order because we didn't ship to your country, well, check now because we've added a bunch of different countries on there as well, so that's pretty exciting. Let's go ahead and just start already. So this is the DIY butter slime kit that you are watching. It comes with one box of Daiso Japanese soft clay, and it comes in whatever color you want. You get to choose your color, and then it comes with an 8 ounce of base slime, which is really nice, stretchy, and thick, perfect for a butter slime. And then it'll also come with a random charm that kind of like corresponds to the color that you chose. So like this yellow one, I chose to use a Pikachu charm because it was yellow. Next up, we have Chanel number 2, the queen of unicorn slime shop. She is my bestseller. This is a very thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. And this week, it's going to come with a bubblegum scented pen that I actually got at the Daiso store. Each order will come with one pen, so it's going to be super cool. If you order Chanel, you get a pen, and it's just really nice. Just, you know, a little fun incentive for buying the queen anyways. And also really exciting, I'm actually going to be giving away one 32 ounce to the 2 biggest orders this restock. I am so shook because Chanel number 2 is my bestseller, and the 32 ounces usually sell out really fast, so I don't normally stock them. So this week, the only way to get that is to possibly be one of the 2 biggest orders. Also, I really quickly wanted to mention we do have a little bit of slime left over from the huge DIY clay slime restock, and they're still in great condition. So if you want to go ahead and snatch those are also going to be at reduced prices for this restock. Next up, we have Baja Blast. This is my second bestseller, and it's a really nice icy / cloud slime hybrid texture. So it has a little bit of drizzle to it, but it's mostly like an icy texture, and it's really, really cool. It's super fluffy, and it smells just like Baja Blast soda, which if you haven't had it before, it's at Taco Bell. I definitely recommend. You should definitely get it. It's basically a Mountain Dew if you've had that. It's like a lemon lime soda, but tropical. So think of like pineapple, blue raspberry, and like, you know, tropical fruit notes. Mud Mask is the last of the big 3. This one is another one of my best sellers. It is another hybrid slime. This one is a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter slime. I call it my buttercream texture. It's just really perfect for spreading. It's super sizzly and very, very satisfying just to hold because it's holdable as well. And it's amazing. It smells like green tea lemon. It's just really, really nice. Can't say it enough about this slime. You need one. Guava Strudel is a new slime to the shop. It is a clay slime layered on top of a thin layer of jelly slime. It's really, really good, y'all. This is scented just like sweet bread and sweet guava. It's super, super good. Totally reminds me of like spring, summertime just because of the scent. Like I associate that with summer. It's just really good. This is actually inspired by my favorite treat at Porto's Bakery in California. It's so, so good. And I miss them so much and I really want one. So that's why I made this slime. It's amazing. You definitely need this one. It's super self-inflating and just really good. Mint Mango Tea is a white glue fishbowl slime, and I don't know if you've tried my other white glue fishbowl, the Rainbow Parfait, but I am obsessed with it. I play with it all the time, and I needed a new one, so I came up with this one here. It's scented just like the name. It's so sweet and refreshing, and I just love it so much. It has orange fishbowls to represent the mango, and there's also some green in there to represent the mint, and I am just really in love with the slime. It starts off with a thick and glossy base, and those fishbowl beads just give it a really nice texture and make it really bubbly when you play with it. It's just so amazing. Frose is a slime that's inspired by Blushing BB Slime. She actually has a fairy Frose, I believe it's what it's called, and I was just obsessed with the idea, and I love Rose, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make this slime as well, and it's totally inspired to her, 100%. But yeah, I love this slime. It actually has Baja Blast's texture, so it's like an icy cloud slime. It's topped off with a bunch of chunky and fine iridescent glitters, which I love, and it's scented just like a Frose, so strawberries and rose wine. It smells super, super good, and I really, really love it. It's a little bit more on the sweet side, more than like the rose side, but it still smells really good, and you can still smell the rose in there, and I just really love this slime. I can't say enough about it. It's very sizzly and just amazing. Oreo Crispy is an Oreo scented slime. This is another hybrid slime. It's actually a hybrid between a snow fizz and a micro foam. So there is both plastic snow and micro foam beads in here. It's super, super crunchy, and I love that about this slime. I love the crispy texture, and I wish I could make it a lot more, but a lot goes into it. Like, it's literally jam-packed with the snow and microfoam beads, so definitely snatch this one because it is so, so good. It has some black glitters in there and some black clay chunks to represent the Oreo pieces, and it just looks honestly like an Oreo McFlurry, and I want one now. cactus jelly is probably my favorite slime this restock. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like agave lime and I love it. It's so sweet and refreshing. It is topped off with green holographic glitter, and there's also some flower Fimo slices in there, and it's just so beautiful. I don't know why I'm really obsessed with cactus right now, or with cacti, but yeah, it's just so beautiful. You might be wondering why the little flower Fimos. Some cacti grow flowers, so that is why. It's a really nice jelly slime. I would say the texture of this jelly slime is like a hybrid between like a traditional jelly slime and a like more modern jelly slime, if that makes sense. Like, it's a little bit more on the icy side, but it still has that traditional kind of feel to it, and I really love that about this slime. It is just amazing. And last but certainly not least, we have Unicorn Gummy. This is a gummy textured slime. You might have seen me make this on my most recent video where I was testing out famous slime shop recipes, and this one was from Peachy Babies, but I did tweak it a little bit. I added a couple of things, and I really love the final texture of this. It's really gummy-like. It's very translucent still, even though, you know, there's stuff in there and it's scented like rainbow sherbet. It's just really good, and I love the pastel foam beads. Totally reminds me of a unicorn, and it's so good. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase in the shop. Don't forget, we are opening the shop at 6 p.m. Central Time, so make sure you check your local time and see if you need to convert the time zones. But yeah, I'm really excited. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!